Okay, this video we're going to show you how to embed a Stripe checkout button into your own custom or static HTML implementation. So this is for people who are coding. So let's see, I just have a simple HTML file here. So you'll have something that looks like this. This is like the simplest of all files. And let's see, you'll go into Paid Members app and to Setup Checklist, click on Save Your Site Details and let us know that you're doing custom HTML. And then you will connect your Stripe account, and then we can pull in your Stripe pricing plans, and then click Create Payment Buttons. You can choose a one-time button or a subscription button, and you can choose to use Legacy Checkout that opens up like that, or the newer version of Checkout that opens up in checkout.stripe.com. I'll just do a legacy version for this video. We do save your button so you don't have to retype things. If you give them a name, that helps, and you can find the button and click edit. Okay, so no advanced options. We're just going to do something simple here and click create button. We write this code for you, and you just copy the code and you can just paste that into your HTML file. Let's paste it below where it says this is a paragraph. Okay, and you can put in a partial or something, but I'll just do this for right now. And then let's see, when you refresh, you now have a Stripe checkout button. There you go. And that will collect payment. And let's see, so we could move this thing to like a partial. So I'll say render partial, right? What did I call it? I called Stripe. Let's see if that works. That'd probably help. Does that work? Oh, it works. Hey, we still have the button there. Super good. So that is the simplest version if you just want to use the out-of-the-box styling that Stripe gives you. So what if you want to style with your own custom button? Well, let's just put a button in here. And so bootstrap buttons. Okay. Primary button. It's the blue one. Let's copy that and paste that into our HTML. Okay, so then we'll need to go to Bootstrap and copy in Bootstrap if you're doing it like this. Okay, so now if we refresh the screen, we should have a second button here, this button. And when I click on nothing happens, what we need to do is give it an ID. So we have a class, and let's give it an ID. And the ID I'm going to give it is just 4242. You can give it any unique ID. Each button has to have its own unique ID. Okay, so then back in Paid Members app, let's click back and click Advanced Options. Yes, I want to use my existing payment button, and then just give it whatever the ID was that you gave it. So this button had the ID of 4242. Okay, let's create that button. And if we copy this to the clipboard, and then let's see, I'll just paste the code right here. Ooh. And then we refresh the screen. And if I click on that button, Stripe checkout opens up. So you still have to do some styling and put the button where you want and style it how you like, etc. But that is how you embed a Stripe checkout button into your custom HTML with Paid Members app.